new day, a new start with JISIWEI Robot S Plus at your service, fully charged. Elegant, energetic, and smart. Yes, it is JISIWEI S Plus. It's showtime. JISIWEI's built-in Wi-Fi allows for remote control. Wherever you are with a smartphone or a tablet, S Plus's camera will show you any event in your home. You can activate S Plus remotely to return to a beautiful, clean home. You can capture all the joyous moments. S Plus keeps you together with your family, anytime, anywhere. Or use cloud to store and share pictures. S Plus is remote controlled, camera enabled, and ideal for vacuuming and sweeping. More than just a robot, she's your faithful housekeeper. S Plus has a pioneering dual-mode anti-scratching system with 15 sets of front contact sensors, 2 times more sensitive than common cleaning robots. The TPU sensing film, which is only found on S Plus, protects both your furniture and S Plus itself. In sophisticated circumstances, the bi-wheel velocity measurement technology helps S Plus to either get over obstacles or back up to avoid getting stuck. S Plus is capable of working continuously for 120 minutes without recharging. When recharging is needed, S Plus will automatically find and dock at the charging station. S Plus is safer, quieter, more durable, and more intelligent than any other vacuum robot. She makes your life relaxing and convenient. S Plus is the first cleaning robot that truly looks after your home.